Hey everyone, welcome back to AI News Connect. I'm Marvin, bringing you the latest and most impactful updates from the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we have breaking news shaking up the software development industry. Microsoft has just announced the preview release of its new agent framework for .NET and Python. This open source development kit is designed to make it easier than ever for developers to create intelligent AI agents and build intricate multi-agent workflows, whether you're working solo or as part of a larger team. What makes the agent framework stand out is its ability to let different AI agents collaborate in real time. For example, one agent could handle complex natural language processing, while another takes care of fast data retrieval, all seamlessly orchestrated within your application. This framework is a big step forward for anyone looking to automate repetitive tasks, from data analysis to customer support, cutting down on manual coding and streamlining development cycles. For startups and enterprises alike, the flexibility of Microsoft's agent framework makes integrating AI into existing software stacks both practical and affordable. It opens the door for companies to scale up intelligent applications without the need for massive in-house AI teams. The announcement is already creating a buzz in developer communities and marks a significant leap in making AI more accessible and collaborative. Microsoft's new tool is poised to democratize the way we build, deploy, and manage AI-powered systems. That's all for today's top story. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to AI News Connect. Hit that notification bell and share this video so you never miss another AI breakthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.